I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Cadillac SRX oil life monitor. First, ensure your vehicle has recently had an oil change. This reset procedure is crucial for accurate maintenance tracking. It helps your Cadillac system reflect the fresh oil, preventing premature service reminders. Let's dive into the simple steps to get this done quickly and correctly. One common method involves the accelerator pedal. Begin by turning your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, fully press and release the accelerator pedal 3 times within a quick 5-second window. After performing these steps, simply turn your ignition off. This should successfully reset your oil life monitor. Another way to reset the oil life is through your Driver Information Center, or DIC, using steering wheel controls. First, navigate through the Vehicle Information menu until you find the Oil Life display. Once there, press and hold the Set/Reset button until the display changes. You may be prompted to confirm the reset. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to finalize it. Remember, always perform an actual oil change before resetting the oil life monitor. Resetting without fresh oil can lead to engine issues. Also, consult your Cadillac SRX owner's manual for any model-specific instructions, as procedures can vary slightly. Regular oil changes are vital for maintaining your engine's health and ensuring its longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.